Okay, it's okay. Kaso, yeah, guys, asa ba si Ella? Ella, pwede
Andiyan,
ba
andiyan,
umakyat ka?
andiyan, andiyan si Ella. Ella, tutulungan mo
Ella,
ko.
Ella, Jo, umakyat nga. Ella,
Iaakit
Jo,
ko 'tong mga
Shelly,
'to.
akyat kayo, please.
Girl, kailangan ko ng
Yeah,
kasama.
sobrang hina ng internet ko. Yeah, right now my internet is really, 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 really slow. That's why it's so hard for me to, speak right now.
Wait
So,
lang.
yeah,
Wala akong
kindly give
kasama.
mic to our
Ayan,
friends.
I gave it to
Ella, can you like chit chat with us? Cause
there she is, there
gusto,
she is.
gusto ni G magsalita, nahihiya siya.
Girl, wala yung kasama ko, hindi ko alam, nawawala na
Nandun ba
naman
ako?
siya. Narinig kita, narinig kita.
Pili ko,
Si Mami M
busy kasi
nandito
talaga si tita,
kanina,
girl.
biglang nawala.
Oo nga, nahuli ko si M kanina.
Hindi niya
Narinig mo ba
alam,
ako,
hindi ko siya
Ella?
nakita.
Nandito siya. Huling-huli ko siya kanina, bumati siya eh.
Nandito siya kanina, bumati pa siya. Pagbati niya,
Mm.
bigla siyang nawala.
Paano? Siguro alam niyang papakayatin siya ni Jing.
Oy, hindi!
Uy,
Hindi ah! Hindi ah! Grabe ka sa akin, She. Wala
asan ba
kasi
si Ate Bunny?
Baka nata...
Asan si Ate Bunny?
ewan ko kung nasa si Bunny. Ang dami nating hinahanap. Nawala talaga ngayong araw.
Si Ate Shirley nandito, hindi man lang nagsasalita. Di ko pa naririnig si Ate Shirley magsalita.
Same. Same. Teka lang nga, Shelly, magsasalita ka, wala kang kawala. Ayun.
Nako, guys, wait lang. May post ko na si LK.
Ay, may kamera dyan?
Hindi, kasi... guys, eto yung chika, ha?
Hmm.
So the chika is that, um, ano ba? The chika is, so I just recently had a new house, and I've been very, very busy like these few weeks. That's
Mm-mm.
why I cannot. I'm trying so hard to make our social media active, but sometimes I miss some tweets. I miss retweeting, but I'm trying so hard. And right now, my job in LK Philippines is like piling up. I need to our donation summary for I need to do it. The donation summary for the HOMAG.
Oo, 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 oo. Okay lang yan, She. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin dalawa yan. Ano si Leo? Ayun. Sino, sino pa hindi umaakyat? Wait lang. Hold on. She is, her internet is acting up again. I don't know why. But can you hear me well, guys? I don't know if you can hear me well. Can you hear me well? Can you comment down below if you can hear me well or what? Ah, sir! So yeah, it's been 8 months since we started the LKPH, and yeah, it's been how many how many spaces did we have already during the 8 months? And then yeah, where is she? And then how many times did she saw LK. How many times did I saw LK also? And in that 8 months, it's been how many months after the fan meeting in PH? I don't know. I don't know how many months after, but we have seen LK almost half of the year, I think. So yeah, and Diana is here. Hi, Diana. Good evening. And Namuan is also here. Namuan is one of our few listeners ever since we started the spaces for LKPH. Wait lang po. Yeah, it's been 3 months, mommy. It's been 3 months. Wait lang. Ella, iaakit kita, ha? Hold on. Ella? Ella.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yan, there she is. Baka tayo magamitin ng account mo.
Wala lang. Parang gusto ko lang maging anonymous.
Anonymous na mo. Wag ako, girl.
Hindi, joke lang.
Anonymous.
Gusto ko lang gamitin to.
Ay, sana. Wala kasi si tita eh. Si tita dapat ka bardagula ko ngayong gabi.
Ay,
Ayan.
dapat gawin to si tita.
Oo. Magkausap kami yesterday. Ayan. Yesterday, she was online. Then, ayun, catching up. Then
Nakakamiss si
sabi,
tita.
yeah, totoo. Na yun, nag-catch up konti. Then, sabi ko may space today, tonight. But, wala siya.
Baka busy. Na-busy sa work.
Baka, I don't know. Anyway, okay lang yan. Kakapaka pa
Yeah.
ako ngayong gabi.
Same.
Saan na yung, tingnan mo, admin nyo, nawala na. Si Shay, nawala. I don't know why. Where is she?
Sabi niya
I don't
kanina, mahina ang connect.
nawala. Oo, yun din sabi niya. Pero, I don't know, kanina, biglang nag-end yung live. I don't know why.
Nawala yung host.
Oo, nagulat ako. Sabi ko, wait lang. Wala akong ginagalaw. Then, I thought, ginalaw ni She.
Ah.
Natandaw ako, girl, nandito ako, girl. Nakikipag-usap ko kay Ella. Nawala.
Siya ang nawala.
Girl, natatawa ako kay Mati eh. Sabi niya, sabi ni ate, nasa space po siya. Sorry na, girl. Tatawala ka. Girl, sabihin niyo nga kay Shay na wala siya.
Wait lang.
Ayun,
Ako
then,
magsasabi.
andyan na si ate She mo. Andyan na si ate She. She, ikaw na namin. Ikaw na pulutan namin.